responsibility, number one. He's here on time every day. He's here every day. He's always ready to get his hands into something, get involved. He finishes his labs on time. I don't have to wait for material for him. He takes care of his homework and all his work. He gets good grades on his quizzes. He is an excellent student. Really can't ask for much more than what Edward puts out.
I started with oil heat, and then I had a hydronics class and understanding all that and the different concepts surrounding that. And there was air conditioning. And then I had a design course, which is all reading blueprints.
He actually went to the Aspen Valley Vocational School before he came here. He took HVAC there. He just wanted to expand on his expertise here.
You go to high school and you're just in academics all day, and I had a week of academics and a week of shop, so it was really kind of twice the work, but it really paid off because, I mean, if it wasn't for this, I don't know what I'd be doing.
He has done soldering and brazing before, so it actually was a good project for him to get into. It just gives him a little more field experience to get out there. It makes him more comfortable with the equipment. Brazing is kind of an art form. You got to be good with it. Yeah, he saw this thing and he wanted to work on it, so he brought it in. You know, last week when I brought it in, he said, I want to work on it. We looked at it a little bit last week, told him what I had to do with it. He says, I can do that, not a problem.
You know, I've had a lot of people tell me, oh, you're wasting your time, you're not gonna learn anything new, you're just flushing 20 grand down the drain, but I'll tell you what, there hasn't been a day here where I haven't learned something new.